Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Get the f off me.
Are you DUI right now?
Man, watch out, bitch!
You were, yeah.
Stupid bitch.
Watch out, he'll get bit. Watch out, he'll get bit.
Hey, knock it off.
Stop fighting my dog!
Knock it off.
David Culliver is not from Florence. He is not part of the drug investigation, and he is not the man police came for. He drove in from Sheffield and walked into the middle of a Lauderdale County drug task force operation on North Locust Street in Florence. From the moment he gets there, officers aren't investigating him. They're trying to keep him out of traffic.
You should came and said, Dave, what's going on? You should came and talk to me personally. I'm gonna fuck with Mac, and I'm calling y'all fucking boss man name. But y'all disrespecting me, so y'all done. I got shit for fucking y'all. Y'all disrespectful. You know that, right? Y'all disrespectful.
Over here, let's have a conversation.
What?
Come over here, we'll have a conversation.
Stay.
Stay. I'm not gonna hold.
What's up? What's up,
Bro?
Stay.
Get the fuck out. I'm trying to fool you. Bro.
What's going on with you?
Nothing. I understand you're doing your fucking job. You got to be fucking respectful of the motherfucking community around you. You cannot be fucking with me. I'm Homeland Security. I'm a here fucking to help y'all if y'all need fucking help. You fucking with fucking me.
You remember how you were acting when you first showed up?
I know how to act when I showed the fuck up.
Yep.
Don't motherfucking matter. I'm still Homeland Security when I showed up.
Awesome.
What?
It does matter.
Just so you over me? You're hiding in Homeland Security? I ask you a question. So I ask you a question. If you ask me, I ask you a question. You think you're hiding in Homeland Security? I'll have somebody come from Florence Police Department and dress you down.
Bring them on. Bring them on.
Your name and badge.
He has already been around this operation more than once. The warrant team is still working another case, but he keeps pulling officers back toward him.
Yeah, that's what I've been thinking.
Like, they haven't left. They're just as bad.
If my friend was acting like that, I'd just be like, yeah. You know what? I'm going to call other places I could be right now.
Why y'all still there? What y'all waiting on?
You to leave.
What y'all waiting on?
It's a search warrant.
A
search warrant.
I hope you is. Y'all waiting on Leo?
Hey, stop talking long enough so you can listen.
I'm coming to
It's a search warrant.
Let me hold on. Let me come. I can hear you, sir. Now I can hear you speak.
It is a search warrant. We will leave when it's over.
What y'all searching for?
What do you think we're searching for?
I don't think. I'm Homeland Security. I asked her.
I don't. Hey, listen. I don't have to answer to Homeland Security.
Y'all good people. Y'all good people. Next one.
The warrant is still active, but officers are dealing with a new problem now. Culliver keeps stepping into the road while traffic is still moving.
I promise y'all, you be fired. I promise you, my mom's daughter, her name is Doris Jackson. You be fired. You're unprofessional, bro.
Okay.
You can't.
How you doing?
You could start a situation with me, bro.
Okay.
You could start a situation. These officers have been good.
All right.
But you was sitting there clapping.
Yep.
You was instigating.
Yep.
You don't supposed to do that.
Okay.
I'm mad at you. You're not supposed to do that.
Get out of the road before you get hit.
I'm not worried about getting hit, bro.
Jesus Christ.
I'm in water.
Okay.
I'm on guard.
Okay.
You don't believe it?
Get out of the road.
The drinking question will come back later when public intoxication appears on his charge list.
Yeah, that's his brother.
Hey, you, sir. You go officer. Come here.
You gonna hear me have a conversation? What's up, man?
Here. Run these codes. I dealt with you before. I dealt with it once in the black. It's good. Y'all good. Y'all good officers.
I appreciate that.
Yes, y'all good officers. I dealt with officers all the time.
I ain't running no stop, man.
Wait, that?
It's all over.
How you doing, sir? They straight. I'm the problem. I'm the one that they called you about somebody. They called you about me.
Okay.
I work for the United States government.
I thought Galen
And
ran
that's
into
one
that
for
house.
chucking them motherfuckers in the
He jerked his car real hard.
Yeah.
And right when he did it, you heard boom.
Yeah, you know what?
Gave
You know what
him
that
the
bill
house.
sister say? After shoot, what can you do? If an actual came to school, what you gonna do? If an actual came to school, what you gonna do? If an actual came to school, what you gonna do, mother?
What do you want me to do?
Your fucking job.
I'm gonna do my job. Don't worry about it.
Dude, that's the motherfucking shit to me. I'll take juice.
Okay. You been drinking today?
Don't worry what the I've been doing.
Can I smell alcohol on you? Are you DUI right now?
Am I driving, bitch?
You were, yeah.
You stupid.
Do you need to go to jail for DUI too?
No, I need to go to jail, kick your fucking ass. If I go to jail for any fucking thing,
All
I'll go
right.
to jail, kick your fucking ass.
Okay.
If you want me to fucking go to jail,
Last-
I'll go to jail,
hey.
kick your shut the fuck up.
Listen and get out of the road.
Fuck you.
Then he says it himself. I'm the problem. The threats are getting sharper. Officers are asking about alcohol, and the road warning keeps coming back.
That's your problem. Get that fuck off your force. You gonna fuck y'all up.
Yeah, as soon as
Shit.
market it clears
You
up,
ain't
we'll
gonna fuck
take
off
him.
your force. I ain't got a road. I pay my taxes, motherfucking brown. I pay my motherfucking taxes. Just like everybody else. I'm talking to Max about your fucking name. What's his name? I'm talking to Max about you. I bet you be fired. Listen, back on me. You talking a fucking party. And you think, I bet you had a gun in your butt. Your lap, you wouldn't be fucking big as bad, would you? You would.
The K-9 is already there because this is still an active warrant operation. You can hear the handler controlling the dog while Culliver keeps arguing. The space is getting smaller.
Here, watch me.
Hang on, I got it. Let go. Hey, well,
David.
well.
Watch out, he'll get bit. Watch out, he'll get bit. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Leave me alone. What am I waiting for?
3 warnings come back to back. He'll get bit. The handler is still trying to hold the line. Then the warning stops and the dog is released.
The dog bite.
Let go of my dog! Let go of my dog!
Let go of my dog! Let go of my dog! Let go of my dog!
Let go of
The
my
dog
dog!
got me.
Stop
The
fighting!
dog got me.
We're gonna go this way? Stop fighting! Hey, knock it off! Stop fighting!
Knock it off.
Hey, man,
The dog bites me.
Knock it off.
quit fighting!
Where my people
Stop.
at? Help me, my people.
Hey, put your
Help me, my
hand-
people.
Put
Help
your
me,
hand
my
behind
people.
your back.
Well, get me back. Get
Put
back
this
here.
hand behind your
Get back
back.
here. Get back here. Get back here, bro. Get back here. Get back here. Get back here, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
Y'all.
Put your hand behind your back.
I work for y'all. Get back here. I work for y'all. I work for y'all, bro. Get back for me.
Turn.
Which way?
I'll turn for y'all. What? Not fighting or something. I'm gonna turn for y'all. Just come stop, bro.
Turn. Hey.
I got him.
Hey.
Y'all relax. I'll turn. If you relax, I'll turn.
Quit fighting.
Suspect on dog bites are rare enough that this gets its own charge. Culliver was later charged with interfering with a police dog. Police said he grabbed one of the K-9's legs and bit the dog during the struggle. They also said officers struck him to make him release. That is why the same command keeps cutting through the chaos.
Let go of my dog!
Turn around. Turn around. Turn. Turn to your stomach. Hey, turn to your stomach.
Where my people at?
Turn to your
Where
stomach.
my people at? Where my people at? Help me!
Turn to your
Help
stomach.
me! Help me! Help me! Where my people at?
Somebody get
Hey, y'all just help me.
Put your hand behind your back.
I ain't doing nothing break the law. What law have I broke? What law have I broke? I'm Homeland Security, bro. See my name up there. I'm telling y'all f***ing with me. I'm Homeland Security.
Even in handcuffs, Culliver keeps reaching for the same explanation. Homeland Security, FEMA, someone he says he needs to call. But the officer brushes it off and points to the online FEMA course.
Hey, just leave me sit.
Homeland Security, why y'all fucking with me?
You ain't Homeland Security.
What motherfucker?
That's a FEMA freaking piece of paper that we all take online. That ain't no freaking...
You know your paper is. Where yours at?
Right on the computer. Same one you got.
Get it, get put so up. I'm calling, let me go, I gotta call my officer. Let me go. I call fucking federal officer. Let me go. Let me go. Yeah, I'm in handcuffs. Bro, I'm coming up to you. I'm coming.
Then Culliver asks what he did. The answer is short: disorderly conduct.
Bro, I don't know what's going on. I'm feeling, what the fuck I do regular? What can y'all me up for? What did I do? What did I do? Your dog attacked me.
Disorderly conduct.
All right, look, we're gonna get in this car right here, okay? Stand up.
Let me stand the up.
Hey, if he runs, I can't bite him.
Hey, jump.
If he runs, I can't bite him.
Going in.
Turn around.
Hey,
Hey, I got you. Sit down, David.
I'm trying to get somebody to get my car.
Okay, sit down. Sit down in the
Now
car.
I gotta be your dog. Your dog good.
Hey, sit down in the car.
Have a seat.
Sit down in the car.
I'm talking to the officer. Yeah, I'm talking to the officer.
Okay.
I'm finna see. Tell me off me.
Okay, have a seat.
You got anything in your pockets?
I don't know. Y'all just assaulted me. Get the fuck off me. I don't know what the fuck. Just get out my fucking
Watch
pocket.
your feet.
Close the door.
Look at everything over here.
Yeah, I got it. You gotta go to the hospital. Yeah.
The arrest does not end at the patrol car. Culliver was taken to North Alabama Medical Center for K-9 puncture wounds before he was booked into the Lauderdale County Detention Center. Culliver was not part of the drug investigation on North Locust Street. He walked into the operation, kept coming back, ignored the road warnings, and ended the night facing charges from a case that did not start with him. Florence police released the full body cam footage after shorter clips had already spread online. The department said the force was reviewed and found within policy, but the reaction was not one-sided. Florence's city council president also said what she saw on the body cam footage troubled her. Culliver's current listed charges were resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and interfering with a police dog. His bond was reported at $2,500. He's presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty, and no final court outcome was publicly confirmed. Drop a comment below. Did officers give him enough chances to walk away, or did the K-9 deployment happen too fast? And subscribe to the Bodycam archive for more real police footage breakdowns.